Namaskar, I am Akhil Srivastava and I welcome you on the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. In this briefing, we will see how was the weather during the past 24 hours and what we expect in terms of weather in the coming next week. If you see the highlights, then the heat wave conditions are likely to continue over East India during next 3 days and a bit thereafter. Wet spell over northwest India during 19th 21st of April with possibility of heavy spell over western Himalayan region on 19th of April. If it is the maximum temperature, what was the situation during yesterday, then we can see that yesterday maximum temperature was in the range of 40 to 44 degrees centigrade over most parts of central and east India, in many parts of plains of northwest India, and some parts over eastern parts of the peninsular India. They were in the range of 35 to 40 degrees centigrade over many parts of rest of the country, except over western Himalayan region where they were in the range of 20 to 25 degrees centigrade, and islands in where they were in the range of 30 to 34 degrees centigrade. Maximum temperatures are above normal by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade over many parts of places northwest India, east and northeast India, east Madhya Pradesh, in some parts of south peninsular India. Heater conditions are prevailing in isolated pockets of Gangetic West Bengal since last 8 days, coastal Andhra Pradesh since last 6 days, Bihar since last 5 days, and over Punjab and Haryana since last 3 days. If you see the main weather pattern or the main weather features which impact India, then we can see there is the western disturbance as a cyclone circulation over Afghanistan with a trough aloft at middle tropospheric levels, roughly along 65-degree east longitude to the north of 25-degree north latitude. There is also induced cyclone circulation over Punjab and neighboring regions. Also, there is a wind discontinuity or trough which runs from the Madhya Maharashtra to southern parts of the Tamil Nadu. If you see the heat wave warnings, then over East India, over Bihar, heat wave conditions is likely in some parts with severe heat wave conditions in isolated pockets during 19th to 20th April, and heat wave conditions at isolated places very likely on 21st of April. Over West Bengal, heat wave conditions in some parts with severe heat wave conditions at isolated pockets very likely on 19th April, and severe heat wave conditions in isolated pockets likely over Gangetic West Bengal on 20th and 21st of April, and isolated heat wave conditions very likely over South West Bengal on 20th April. In East India only, if you talk about Odisha and Jharkhand, then isolated heat wave conditions are very likely in isolated pockets on 19th and 20th of April. In Northwest India, in East Uttar Pradesh, heat wave conditions are likely in isolated pockets on 19th of April. In towards the western side, in Konkan, Goa, heat wave conditions are very likely in isolated pockets on 19th of April. In the South Peninsular India, over coastal Andhra Pradesh, heat wave conditions are very likely in isolated pockets on 19th of April. If we talk about rainfall forecast and warning, then over northwest India, we are expecting light, moderate, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with thunderstorm lightning very likely over western Himalayan region and isolated to scattered rainfall with thunderstorm gusty wind over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan during next 3 days. Heavy rainfall is very likely in isolated places of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand on 19th of April. Isolated hailstorms are very likely over Himachal Pradesh and Punjab on 19th. Over Uttarakhand on 19th to 21st of April, and isolated thunderstorm, dust storm with gusty winds are also very likely over Rajasthan during next 2 days. If you talk about Northeast India, then light, moderate, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds are very likely over the region during next 5 days. Heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places of Arunachal Pradesh during 19th to 22nd of April, over Assam, Meghalaya on 21st and 22nd of April. Along with that, isolated hailstorms are also likely over Assam and Meghalaya today. If we talk about central India, then light, moderate, isolated rainfall with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds are likely over Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, and Chhattisgarh during next 5 days. Isolated hailstorm is also likely over Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh on 20th of April. If we talk West India, light isolated rainfall with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds is likely over parts of Maharashtra during next 2 to 3 days, and over Gujarat state on 19th of April. Isolated hailstorms are also likely over Marathwada today. If you talk about East India, then light isolated rainfall with thunderstorm lightning very likely over Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Odisha during 21st to 23rd of April 2023. There is no significant weather likely over rest parts of the country during next 5 days. If you see the weather warning with the help of the multi-hazard map, it is shown for the next 3 days, and subsequent slide will show for the next 2 days. You can see that again in the eastern parts of the country, we have issued heat wave warning for next 3 days. Along with that, we also issued heavy rainfall warning for the western Himalayan region. All thunderstorm warning is been depicted on the picture for the rest of the days. This is for the next subsequent 2 days, for day 4 and day 5. You can see that thunderstorm warning has been issued for east, northeast, and for the parts of the south peninsular India. These are the main weather highlights for today and the forecast for the next 5 days. For any updated information, please visit Mausam app, Damni app, Meghdoot app, or you can use IMD Mausam website. It is mausam.imd.gov.in, or you can reach us on Facebook and Twitter handle for any updated information. We'll meet again tomorrow with similar kind of information. Till then, have a good time. Namaskar. Jai Hind.